Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll quickly show you on how to embellish your map. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Okay, subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button, and share to your friends who will be the channel will be of great importance to. So you can just launch into your app map. It's going to be opening up soon. So here we are. So in case you don't know how we came about this particular area image, you can refer back to our first video on this channel. You are going to find out how we came about this, how we download it, how we georeferenced it and digitize this particular study area. So next thing to do is to go to view, go to layout view. Alright, in case you don't have this particular um, um, page view on landscape, you can go to page and print setup. All right, then click on landscape. In case some setup is already on portrait, so you just click on landscape, then click on OK. All right, so the moment you click on OK, it's going to bring out the landscape this way for you. So next thing to do is to we are going to be adding the grid. Okay, right click on it, go to properties, go to grid. In case yours is on coordinate system, you can click on grid, go to new grid, leave it on graphical. Okay, go to OK, leave it on graphical and labels. You can decide to change this to 20 or something lower so that you have more grid systems divided on it. So click on OK, go to this text type to increase the font of the grid. So you can decide to increase the size to like 10, then click on OK, click on next, click on finish, then apply. So if you check now, you find out that this particular vertical designation, we want it to be flat. So you can just go to properties, so the moment you click on properties, it's going to pop out this particular page, and you click on left, right, then you click on OK, then apply and OK. So you can find out that it is now OK this way. So the next thing to do is to add a title to your map. All maps should have a title. You still go to insert, okay, go to title. Alright, so we already have something like a study area map as a title initially, but in case you don't have that on it, you can double click on it and still type study area map, then click on apply and OK. So it's going to bring it out. Then you can decide to place it somewhere here at the center. Okay, so the next thing to add is our north arrow. We are going to be adding our north arrow. So there are different north arrows you can decide to use. So let's use this in the course of this video. Then you can see, then you can move it somewhere here, then increase it for visibility. Then the next thing we are going to add is the scale bar. Okay, you can set add scale bar, if it's on default. Okay, and then you can now move that somewhere here. Alright, but it's on meters because what we are working with is on a large extent of an area map. So you can double click on it, change the division unit to kilometers. Okay, then you can change this to km. Then you can click on apply, then OK. Alright, so it's in kilometer. You can decide to leave it that way. So the next thing to add is the legend. The legend, you click on it, you see what we want the legend to be on is this, then you click on OK and next. So when you click on it, it's going to bring something like this. So our site is digitized for a river, so you can go to this drop down shadow here and give it a water body symbol and click on next. Alright, then click on finish. So it's going to bring the legend. You can decide to place that here. Alright, so the next thing to add is the coordinate system you are working with, because most cartographers, they don't have this particular information that makes up a map. All surveyors should have it in mind that if your coordinate system your map was georeferenced on is not there, there's no how this map is going to be showing a good representation, a good information, giving it to an outsider to use, or whoever that wants to georeference it. So we need to add a coordinate system information here. So you can just go to your area map, right click on it, go to properties, okay, then go to source, okay. On your source, you can just decide to copy out this particular coordinate system here by double clicking on it. Then you highlight it, you can just copy, okay. The moment you copy, you can move it somewhere here, or you cancel it, then you go to inside, then paste, okay, click on paste. See, you're going to have an option here, move it here, then you double click on it, then you can paste it, Ctrl V. All right, so you can give it coordinate system, okay. You can give it a reference system. All right, so this is the datum, all right, and this is the zone. So you can decide to add another, okay, but still click on apply and okay, it's going to be here. You can decide to add another, which is um, the unit, right, linear unit. Yes, decide to just copy this and double click here and put that one in it, give it unit, it is meters. Alright, so you can decide to make this bold, okay, by just going to change symbol. So when going to change symbol, you just click on bold, okay, so that, because it's a very important information that all surveyors should not joke with. So that is just it. Then you can make a neat line across your map by just going to insert, go to neat line, just click on OK. You can see the neat line. All right, this is what is going to embody all your map. So that is just map embellishment. Then you can decide to save your work by clicking on save here. So that is just map embellishment. Then don't forget to click on the notification bell to get a first-hand information. Invite your friends, then let them come learn as well with you, then you grow together. Then don't forget to export your map at the very end by going to file, then export map. Okay, there are different particular way you can export your map, okay. This is different way, PDF, okay, but we are going to be using JPEG in this. Then you can just save, then that is map embellishment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, invite a lot of your friends, let them come learn with you. Thank you.